Okay, salam salam. Steve, market demand and supply function of product X is given as follows here. Market equilibrium, net equilibrium level of price, equilibrium level of quantity, calculate ማድረግ እንችላለን. There is a shortage or surplus by how much, by how much. So this is also one point how to calculate in this example. So there are two things given. Market demand function and market supply functions are given. Market demand function P is equals to 1000 minus 2 QT. QT means quantity demand, P means price. Then the second one P is equals to 100 minus QS. QS means quantity supply, P means price. Therefore, to calculate this, we must be take out given. We have P is equals to 1000 minus 2 QD. Good. Then the second one P is equals to 100 plus QS. So this function is indirect demand function and indirect supply function. So in order to calculate equilibrium level of price and equilibrium level of quantity, we must be converting into direct demand function and direct supply function. So these functions are indirect demand function and these functions are indirect supply function. Therefore, P is equals to 1000 minus 2 QT. This is indirect demand function, indirect demand function. Due to this reason, we must be converting to direct function. Then price minus 1000 is equals to minus 2 QT. Then this means minus 1000 plus P is equals to minus 2 QT. You can divide by both sides by minus 2. Then we can divide by minus 2. Then quantity demand is equals to, when we divide this, minus 1000 divided by minus 2 plus P divided by minus 2. P divided by minus 2. Therefore, quantity demand is equals to 500 minus 1 over 2P. This is called direct demand function. You can say direct demand function. የተሰጠን ኢንዳይሬክት ነበር ማለት ነው። አሁን ወደ ዳይሬክት ቀየር ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ግዴታ የተሰጠን ፋንክሽን ኢንዳይሬክት ከሆነ ወደ ዳይሬክት መቀየር ይጠበቅብናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ወደ ዳይሬክት ቀየርኩት። ዘን ሰከንድ ፋንክሽን is indirect supply function P is equals to 100 plus QS. Therefore, this is also indirect supply function. Due to this reason, we must be converting to direct demand function, supply function. Then P minus 100 is equals to quantity supply. Quantity supply is equals to, you can say, P minus 100. Therefore, this is also direct supply function. This is indirect, you can say, indirect supply function, market supply function. Then this is direct supply function. Therefore, to calculate equilibrium level of price and equilibrium level of quantity, we must be converting direct demand function and indirect supply function to direct. So we have also converted it. Then to calculate this, make at equilibrium quantity demand is equals to quantity supply. Quantity demand is equals to quantity supply. Then we have quantity demand function. 500 minus 1 over 2P is equals to P minus 100. Good. Then collect like term. We have P and P and we have constant number. Then 500 plus 100 is equals to P plus 1 over 2P. This becomes 600. Then this is equals to P plus 1 over 2P, 3 over 2P. Then we can multiply by reciprocal. Reciprocal of this is 2 over 3. Then P is equals to, we can multiply this 2 over 3. Then we can multiply this 2 over 3. Therefore, P is equals to, we can cancel this. P is equals to 600 times 2 over 3. Then by 3, 1. By 3, 200. Therefore, equilibrium level of price is equals to 200 times 2 is equals to 400. Therefore, to calculate equilibrium level of output or quantity, we must be substitute equilibrium level of price either in quantity demand function or quantity supply function. Quantity supply, quantity demand function. Therefore, we have quantity demand function is equals to quantity demand function is equals to quantity demand function is equals to what? 500 minus 1 over 2p, but we have pp is equals to 400. Therefore, quantity demand is equals to 500 minus 1 over 2 times 400. Then we can divide 400 by 2. Then quantity demand is equals to minus by 2, 1 by 2, 200. Therefore, equilibrium level of quantity is equals to 200. Or to calculate equilibrium level of quantity, we can substitute supply function. Supply function P is equals to 100. But price P is equals to 400. Therefore, equilibrium level of quantity is equals to 400 minus 100. Then this is equals to 300. You can say. Therefore, how to obtain equilibrium level of quantity is 300. Equilibrium level of price is what? 400. How to represent this graphically? We can put in x-axis quantity. We must be put in y-axis price. Then we have supply curve. Then we have demand curve. Then this point is become what? 300. Then this point is equals to what? 400. Therefore, order of this is become 300, 400. This is a graphical representation of what? Equilibrium level of output and price. Okay, graphical representation of equilibrium level of price and output. Therefore, see, it says if a price is 300 is a shortage or surplus. So, as discussed in the last section, in market there are three situations we have discussed. The first one, when quantity demand greater than quantity supply. If quantity demand is greater than quantity supply, there is a shortage. There is a shortage of the product in the market. If quantity demand is less than quantity supply, surplus. If quantity demand and quantity supplies are equal, that market you can say that what? Equilibrium point. Okay, that point is called equilibrium point. And we have discussed that when the price is increased above equilibrium price, there is availability of the product in the market. Due to this reason, there is a surplus. But if a price is decreased below equilibrium price, shortage of the product in the market is what? Existed. Due to this reason, the price is decreased from 400 to 600. There is a shortage or surplus. If price is equals to 700, is it shortage or surplus? To check this, we must substitute on equilibrium level of quantity. QD is equals to 500 minus 1 over 2p. We have P is given, that P is equals to, assumed to be 700. Then quantity demand is equals to 500 minus 1 over 2 times what? 300. Then 700 divided by 2, 150. Then quantity demand is equals to 500 minus 150. This is equals to 350. Quantity supply, we can say we have P minus 100. But P is given. P is equals to, assumed to be 300. Therefore, quantity supply is equals to 300 minus 100 is equals to 200. Therefore, to say is a shortage or surplus, you must be compare quantity demand with what? Quantity supply. Okay. If quantity demand is greater than amount of quantity demand is greater than quantity supply, there's shortage. But if quantity demand is less than quantity supply, or quantity supply is greater than quantity demand, you can say it's what? Due to this reason, 750 is greater than what? 200. Therefore, you can say that shortage. Shortage by what? By 150. This is mathematical example how to calculate equilibrium level of output and equilibrium level of price, quantity, and how to show graphically, and how to decide the shortage or surplus about equilibrium level of quantity. So, if you have any question, any suggestion, please put in the comment section. Thank you very much. This is all about for today's exam.